It is preferred that you view this video on a wider screen. Recursion. It is the process in which a function calls itself for repeating a task. It is useful in operations like sorting, repeated computations, etc. Let's have a look at how recursion can be applied to find the factorial of a number, n factorial. The formula to find factorial of a number, n factorial, is equal to n times n minus 1 multiplied by n minus 2 multiplied by n minus 3 up to when n reaches 1. So, 5 factorial equals 5 times 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1. And that is 120. Let's now write program 47. Requirement is, using recursive function, find the factorial of a number. This is the program code. The function name is factorial. Program control enters the main function. Memory is allocated for long variable n. User is prompted to enter a number. I enter 4. It's stored in n. On line 14, we ask to print factorial of 4 equals. And then, the function factorial is called. It carries within it the value of n. Program control jumps to the function factorial on line 3. The value 4, that is passed as parameter to this function, is copied to variable a in the function. Control shift to the if condition. It's check if a is greater than 1. Yes, it is. So control enters the if condition and executes return statement. It says, return a, or 4, multiplied by factorial of a, minus 1, or factorial of 3. So now, control jumps to the next factorial function with a parameter value 3. Here again the if condition is checked. A is greater than 1, and so next factorial function is called with parameter a minus 1 or 2. Here too, the if condition is checked. Again, a is greater than 1, and so next factorial function is called with parameter a minus 1 or 1. This time, the if condition is not met, as a or 1 is not greater than 1. So the else statement is executed. It says return 1. So 1 is returned from function factorial of 1 to its calling function. Control goes back to the function factorial of 2 from where it had arrived. The value 1 is carried along, and it replaces the function call to factorial of 1. In this function, it says return a multiplied by 1 or 2 multiplied by 1. So, 2 times 1 is returned to its parent function factorial of 3. Here, the incoming value replaces function call to factorial of 2 and returns 3 multiplied by 2 times 1 to its parent function factorial of 4. In this root parent function, it says, return 4 multiplied by 3, multiplied by 2, multiplied by 1, which is 24. Program control shifts back to the main program where the factorial function was first called, along with the value 24. It's printed onto the output screen as, factorial of 4 equals 24. I hope you enjoyed this program.